should we do it?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Tuts. In this tutorial, we will learn about some basic function of string in PHP. Before you start proceeding with this tutorial, to refer my previous video, Scalar Data Types in PHP. Here you look at some basic things about string. You can find this link below in video description. Let's talk about some common string function in PHP. First is strlen, string length function. It's used for get the length of a string. Let's see the example of string length function. Here to create one PHP file, string function.php. Let's start writing a code. The PHP string length function returns the length of a string . Save the code. Let's run the program. The output of the code will be 11. Next string function is str_word_count. It's used for count the number of words in a string. Let's see the demo of string word count function. Refresh the output screen. The output of the code will be this. Third is strrev, string reverse function. It's used for reverse a string. Let's see the demo of string reverse function. Refresh the output screen. The output of the code will be this. Next string function is strpos, string position function. It's used for search a specific text within a string. Let's see the demo of string position function. Here the example of search for the text world in the string hello world. If a match is found, the function returns the character position of the first match. If no match is found, it will return false. Refresh the output screen. output of the code will be this. One important note, the first character position in a string is 0, not 1. Last string function is str_replace function. It's used for replace text within a string. Let's see the demo of string replace function. Here the example of replace the text world with Nirali. The PHP str_replace function replace some character with some other character in a string. Refresh the output screen. The output of the code will be this.